Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a new profile to save your user settings in that profile on OBS Studio in 2026. So let us get started. So launch OBS on your device, like your desktop computer for example, and what you want to do guys is simply click into the profile tab at the top, and here at the bottom of that list you will see your already created user profiles, like that one or the standard one. So you may create a new one by clicking into new here. Give it a name, like my new profile 01 or something like that. Click into OK, and you may also enable the auto configuration. That is going to help you, or that is going to adjust your screen recording settings within the newly created and save it within the newly created profile. So you may go through that short customization or setup. Let me select this one here for example, and after that click into next. Select default resolution for the given profile. I will go with 1920 by 1080 pixel. Select the default FPS like 60. Click into next, and you will see the summary here. Confirm by clicking into apply settings. And that's it. Your newly created profile is or has been created. You can choose it here or switch between your profiles, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.